Bombela Fanatics live at Valencia Sports Complex to witness the Mpumalanga Sasol League games. You know, they've come to a conclusion. The league has wrapped up, and I'm not alone. I'm now with the chairman of Scheming Ladies, Chairman Marco. Chairman, reflection of the season. Hi, Chairman. Season iboni kanjani? Amantombazana adlale kanjani?
Ngithokoze man. Isizini the way sibone ngakhona siqale kahle because we are new baby ne la kuSasol. Abantwana baqale kahle and then at least sinama win akhona amathathu, sine draw 1, sinama lose 4. And nama lose akhona ya understand because sikho ama team strong. The challenges nayo la kahle vele was TS Galaxy, the strikers and TS Galaxy and what we call it. Ngiyakhohlwa leyo 3 super strikers that my team are tough, but what I promise will come strong next year. They've got the experience. In fact, 2000 and no one is 25 years now. All of them is 17 years, 18 years, 16 years. So we'll come strong next season.
Chairman Marco, it's recently being promoted into the Mpumalanga Sasol League Women's League. Coach, Chairman, what aspects of the games or what difficulties did you face, you know, and which struggles did you see the girls go through mentally and also game-wise?
The difficulties that we experience is a financial strain. Yeah, these things of finance is a problem. Remember, now we are coming from Mpumalanga, it's 5 hours drive, and then we have to take children in the morning, 1 o'clock. To be here, and they come here, they play 2 games. Remember, we played 10 and then they play 1 o'clock. They didn't sleep well, they didn't eat well. No, let's say it's a financial problem.
Chairman, how important was it to you? Highlights the importance of playing with youngsters within the team. Chairman, labancane lo dlale ngabo le season lena kubathemba kuwe unchairman kukhombise kuchubekela phambili. Chairman, do you believe le season letako batakunika lo lokubukile nawe njenga chairman ukuthi okay batawukhona kufinyelela la ufuna kufinyelela khona?
Yes, ngithemba kanjalo. Remember, we are building for South Africa because one of the good days we want to see them playing for Banyana Banyana. That is our mission. So now, yes, I believe in them. We just need some 4 or 5 players with experience, and then I think we're going to have a very strong team. They are very strong with big hearts, these children. I have trust on them, and then I know they will make it next year. Trust me. Ask me again this time. I will tell you something.
Most definitely will, Chairman. Chairman, what message would you have to the Scheming Ladies United fans that the league has concluded with the performance and the rally and the support they've given to the girls throughout the entire season, knowing very well that it was their first season, you know, in the Mpumalanga Sasol League?
Yes, as management of Scheming United Academy, we want to thank everyone from the supporters, management, and also the players. Man, they did well. They did very well. As management, we are so satisfied about everything. All they need to do, they don't just to have to give up. They must come strong next year, and then yeah, I hope everything will be okay. Sijabule kakhulu nabalandeli basijabulisile. Everyone is supporting isitholileko. Hayi siyathokoza. Siyacabanga ukuthi unyaka ozayo sobuya kahle si strong. Sinethembele njalo.
Chairman Marco, sibonga kakhulu sithi lokuhle kuchubekela phambili neScheming United Ladies.
Bonga mina.